This is the LSX 30 limited edition, and the 30 is for the 30th anniversary of MasterSpas. No one has ever done this with a hot tub, with the amount of therapy, the pumps. This is the ergonomic lounge right here. This tub actually has 3 separate remote controls and a topside control, so you can control it from inside the tub, outside the tub. It also has integrated Wi-Fi with an in-house router integrated to the spa pack. So as long as you have internet, you can keep track of the pumps, the water chemistry, and the temperature, all from the app. Also, in the exterior of the unit is actually dusk-to-dawn lighting, which is really cool. The whole thing is going to light up, but it's photostatic. So basically, if you walk in front of it, it would show that. But when it gets dusk, it'll go on. And then when it gets light out, it'll go off. This is a 2-speed pump. That is a 2-speed pump, and that is a variable speed pump. So if you just want to relax and chill out like this in the unit, you can. You notice the LED lighting through all the headrests, these nice little pillow headrests. Now I'm going to go to the second level, pump 1, just the lounge. So this is the laid out environment, right? Sure. So unlike some of the other tubs that you've looked at, this is a completely dedicated environment. So when you have a lounge, it's intentionally for you to enjoy it laying down. Your legs are surrounded with the therapy. Also on the bottom of the tub, bottom of your feet, there's rotational therapy. If I turn this off, which I'm going to do, now I'm going to show you the foot massagers. These right here are the Master Blasters, and this is up to 200 gallons a minute on your feet. And so now you'll see the foot massagers.
Oh my God.
So you can sit in either one of these seats and get your feet massaged. And a fun thing to do is actually sit here and get the back of your legs massaged as well.
Oh, yeah.
So that looks pretty strong, but we're going to take it to the next level because MasterSpa has outdone it on this one.